RKLB stock is in a strong bullish trend, even though it has declined of late. And in the post market session of yesterday, the 27th of February 2025, the company announced its earnings outcomes. And this is a snapshot of what they announced: 26.3% quarter on quarter revenue increase. That is $104.8 million to $132.4 million. 120.7% year on year Q4 revenue increase, $60 million to $132.4 million. 78.3% year over year revenue increase, 244.6 million to 436.2 million. 381.8% Q4 revenue increase since 2021. Since 2021 Nasdaq debut of $27.5 million to $132.4 million. So yeah, this is the pre-market session, and this is that decline we're talking about. It has corrected, and we saw it try to recover some of those losses, and it was rejected at $26.36 and has since come down to 17.41. This is its 4-hour chart, and the Argos are calculating downward and downward projections. We have 12.38, we have 8.55, we have 6.11, but we also have this piece of AI generated, which says fact of the day. Bleecker Street Research claims Rocket Lab may delay its Neutron rocket launch by 1 to 2 years, citing engine issues and postponed tests, impacting plans until early 2026. Okay, that could be amongst other things why we're looking at further retracement in the price. Yeah, the loss is now around 12.61% in this pre-market session. As we count down to the open, we're still very hours away from the open of today's session. This is its 4-hour chart. Let's move up and see what. Okay, let's move down to the daily chart and see what we have there. Let's see. On the daily chart, what do we have? On the daily chart is resting on a support of 19.88. It's currently now trading at $17.21. It's losing ground rapidly. That's the underlying trend I'm talking about. It's still sloping bullishly upwards. The extrapolation of its 10 and 21 day moving averages is for weakness to continue up till Tuesday the 11th. But things may suddenly change. Let's have a look at its 3-hour chart and see what's in play here. Let's see, downward projection coming all the way down to $12.21. No rebound projections in play at the moment. No rebound projections in play at the moment. But not very long ago, they were in play. They were in play, but that was not before. That was before the current decline we are facing right now. So let's have a look at its 2-hour chart and see what they are printing. What's printed? What has printed? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Extrapolation is what we have. No downward projections here, and no projections either. But extrapolation for weakness is what is still in effect here on the 2-hour chart. Let's have a look at the 1-hour chart and see. On the 1-hour chart, we have upper projections that go all the way towards $19.01. We have below that we have 18.5. Below that we have 17.9. There are indeed also, I think these are in play. We have this emphasized projection of 20.95. This is all these prices are, the probability of them playing out is definitely very high, very high. In very decent, very within reach, because the stock is retracing. So a rebound projection is very much. Sometimes you may find out that it's actually more than 50%. I have not calculated, but it is most certainly decent, because you'll be dealing with higher moving averages and lower prices. You will definitely find that it will be inviting you to buy the dip. So let's have a look at the 45-minute chart and see. Let's see here. We have upper projections that go all the way towards 21.11, and indeed as well, just like it is on the 1 hour chart, the probabilities that this will that the probabilities that they will rebound is very decent. You know, yeah. Um, yes, on the short term, things are really bearish, really bearish. Well, let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. It's not that's going to be of much use to you. So things are a bit quiet at the moment, but it's currently down 12.25% in this pre-market session in these proceedings. Yeah. So coming back all the way down to the 4 hour chart. Let's see what's in play here. We can have a look. This is a 4 hour chart as well here. Yeah, we're seeing that it's trading right outside of its price channel on this chart from Think and Swim. So with this sort of situation, you would expect that it should come back into its price channel, meaning that it should recover some of this strength it has lost. So naturally, this is usually a buy the dip opportunity trading outside of its price channel. You expected that it will come back, but obviously this is also a 4 hour chart. A lot is going on. A lot goes on in between within 4 hours. But if you want to go by this, you can see that if you want to validate your buy the dip theory, this is a validation you have here to take into consideration. So weakness, weakness, weakness. I think all because of probably that they have postponed their neutron delayed their neutron rocket launch by 1 to 2 years. That's a long time. Yeah, you should not naturally expect this sort of retracement, this sort of weakness we're looking at right now. What could possibly be the next catalyst that will drive the stock higher? What could be the next catalyst? We could just do a quick research and see Rocket Labs, and see what what could be the next catalyst. I mean, they have other things they're doing. It's not only the neutron. The fact that they are not beating earnings outcomes means they are really doing something. Surely, yes, they are really doing something. They are doing, yeah. Electron is a two-stage partially reusable orbital launch vehicle deployed by Rocket Lab, an American aerospace company with a wholly owned New Zealand subsidiary servicing the commercial small satellite launch market. Is the third most launched small lift vehicle in history. Okay, investor relations. Yeah, they have other things they're doing, but that particular launch vehicle is going to be delayed. But it's not the end of the road. Some market participants may see this as a buy, as an opportunity to get involved in the stock. So as things stand right now on this 4 hour chart, it's now trading at its um, 13th of November levels. So if you even want to do the probability based on those figures as well, you equally see that you would even be getting probabilities that it can rebound, that it will rebound, looking very encouraging. So yeah, just see what you make of Rocket Labs. It has lost some ground, and its outcomes were smashing. Yeah, see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.